you guys, it's Mrs. Dietz. I just thought I'd make you a really quick video going into our last unit here, Unit 8, and going into Christmas break. I just felt like there was a lot of things I wanted to go over with you guys, just so you know what's to be expected of you. The first thing I want to chat about is just wrapping up Unit 7, which is our unit on writing a script. The thing that I'm noticing the most within our scripts is that I've had quite a few students turn in a script that doesn't really have a conflict in it. Even though it's a short script, you're not writing a full-blown play, you're just writing a scene. I want you to think of it like a short story and follow that plot arc. So make sure you have that exposition where you're introducing the characters. Make sure you have some sort of conflict that's in there. You want to make sure it builds up to your climax where that conflict gets resolved, whether it gets worse or it gets better. And then make sure you include that resolution piece as well. You want to make sure that your reader or the person that's watching your script feels satisfied and understands what's going on at the end of the play. So just making sure that you really do follow that plot arc, even though it's going to be in that shorter sense, you're just writing a scene, making sure you really focus on having that conflict in there and then illustrating how it gets resolved. So that's my biggest tip for Unit 7 and completing your scene. Other things I wanted to chat with you guys about really quickly is we are going into winter break. Yay, we made it. You only get a week off for IDLA and for this late start creative writing course. And so we will be off for Christmas break from the 19th to the 26th. There will be no work assigned during that time period, none whatsoever. That being said, if you're behind in this course, everything will stay open so you can continue to work on it during that time period. I won't be available from the 19th to 26th. I'm going to take that time with my family. So I won't be responding to email during that week, and I won't be responding to phone calls. However, as soon as I am back on the 26th, I'll make sure that I'm responding right away so that I can be answering any questions that you have. So again, no work assigned during the 19th to 26th. However, you can continue to work inside of the course and work on missing work. If you want to work ahead, that's fine. I've already opened Unit 8 for you, and that's completely fine as well. The one thing you won't be able to work on during that week are discussion boards. You can definitely look through the discussion board. You can prepare your answer on a Word document, but I'm going to block those or close those that you're not able to post until I'm back so I can monitor them. So just kind of keep that in mind. When we do come back, we'll have Unit 8 to go, and then we'll have the final. And so make sure that you guys are checking out that folder that's right after Unit 7. It gives you all the information about the end of the course. It tells you if you'll be taking a face-to-face final or if you'll be doing an online final. So make sure you guys check that out. Unit 8 will be our last unit, and you guys will be working on memoirs, and then you'll be putting together a portfolio to turn in of your work from this course, and you'll be asked to revise pieces of work. So make sure you're reading my feedback and kind of planning how you're going to make your work better for that portfolio. I think that summarizes everything I wanted to chat with you guys about. When we do come back and we are completing Unit 8, I will hold a review session, a live optional review session that you guys can attend to help prepare you for that final, whether it's in person or online. Okay, well, I hope you guys have an awesome break. Oh, one more thing, grading. I do plan to catch up on all of my grading by Sunday the 19th. And so if you've turned in work over the last 3 days and it hasn't been graded, it will be graded by Sunday. I'm hoping to grade quite a bit of it this afternoon, but Sunday at the latest, I'll have everything graded before I'm off for break. So just watch for that. Those grades should be coming. Make sure you are reading your feedback. And then, like I said, we're almost to the end. So I hope you guys have a really good break. And then send any questions you have my way. Bye.